Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7 Diesel Sport, stock reference number 5028. This shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left power door mirror, faded on the top edge. Left door has 5 small dents. Left rear door has 5 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the tailgate, has 3 small dents and a crack in the spoiler. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right front door has only 3 small dents. Right power door mirror, faded top edge. Right guard also faded top edge, no dents or damage. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.